Hi there. I'm now in Moshav Arugut. Moshav is like a village, a community of farmers in Israel. And we can see the buildings over there, some of them behind me. In the middle, we have the agriculture, but also around the buildings of the members of the Moshav. Now, once a week, an aeroplane would come here and spray all of it, including the buildings, because there is no other way, against fruit flies. And that went on for years, many years, maybe even decades. Until one day, a member of the Moshav, Sadot, said, enough is enough. I got sick. I have a problem, serious health problems because of those chemicals, and I'm not ready that people will continue to spray all of us every week. So he went against his friends. Now, just so you understand, here they would spray all the time. Here is the house of Sadot, right behind me here, and he said, no more. There was a court issue. They went to court, he won. And the Moshav, the village, they had to stop spraying from the airplane, from the air. And everybody was saying, no, you are crazy, we are going to lose everything we have. This is the house of Ran. So just so you see, we're talking about meters between. What will we do? We are going to lose our income, our livelihood. You are crazy. It's all because of you. What they did next is they contacted me and they asked, do you have something for fruit flies instead of the airplane? And I said, I don't know if I have something, but we can definitely try. And we did. And what happened is that in the first year, we got rid of 100% of the aerial spray, and most of the ground sprays, almost all of them for fruit flies and also for others. That is quite nice for 1 year. And infestation was far lower than it was before. Lower than it was before. Now, that was 13 years ago. Not everyone has someone like Sadot here behind me. Someone who is ready to go and fight for himself, for the future generations, for the others. But what everybody got in every place is many people saying, you are crazy. It is impossible. You are going to ruin our livelihood. You are going to destroy and everything will be infested. This is something that you have everywhere. Now, take this story as an example. And you don't have to trust those people who says it is impossible. Do what you think is good for yourself, for the health, for the environment, for your children, for their children, for the future. And go with it. And this is how you make a different, better world. Sadot just passed away. He left us. Thanks to him and his war, now everybody see it is possible. They are all grateful for him, for what he did, even if they don't say it loudly. This is the world that we need. Go ahead, do it in your communities, do it in your country. Get others to help you whenever it's needed. Don't do it alone. You're not alone. Make a change. Bye-bye.